Hello friends. Today's video I want to talk about scrub pads for detailers. You know how many scrubbers there are out there in the detailing community. But there's one thing about me that a lot of people don't realize. I am about as frugal with my detailing as I am with raising 4 kids. If I can get it for a very inexpensive price, that's the way it needs to be done. So let me go over the different scrub pads that I have. My pads, whatever they are, I have to have an affordable pad. The way for me to do that is if I can get something that works at like the dollar store. This is one of the scrub pads that I bought. It's not a seriously abrasive one, but I use this on the exterior when I do like headlight restorations. I make sure that I clean the surface really, really well. So I'll spray it with some APC and then I'll scrub the headlight. There's certain things that it does work well on inside the interior, such as the cup holders. It also works if I have to scrub a compartment. That is what these pads are good for. I picked this up. It was a 2-pack at the Dollar Tree. And it works great. It doesn't scratch anything that I've used it on. And I have used it on a steering wheel as well. So keep that in mind. You can go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some of the things that you might need. So I'll put it up close to the camera and let you see it's just a simple scrub pad. So the next item or scrubber that I have is a magic eraser. But when you go and you look on Amazon for magic eraser, it costs you quite a bit of money. I opted for ordering these, which are the same thing, and I bought a 12-pack for $10. But these magic eraser scrubbers are an off-brand. They do just fine. I can usually make one magic eraser last 2 to 3 details, depending on what it is I did throughout the process. So this is helpful. I have used it on door jambs, and I have been jumped on for using it on a painted surface. But you have to understand that I was dealing with like from somebody in a construction industry that puts asphalt down. In order to put asphalt down, they have to put tar down, and that stuff sticks to anything and everything once it sets up. It's the nastiest stuff. I do not miss that. So I have actually used it on a painted surface. Of course, it's something you just take your time. You're not going to hurt anything as long as you take your time. So that is another option, but it's really, really awesome to use on the really dirty door panels, and it's excellent on the leather seats. So then this scrub pad is something that a lot of people don't think about. And I thought about it when I first saw detailers using the Ninja scrub. I'm going, wait a minute. This is our version, a mom's version cleaning her kitchen of the Sumo scrub or the Ninja scrub. Now, I will do my best to show you. Mine is still a little dirty, but I've used it quite a bit. This is the scrubby side. This is like bamboo fibers. These work really good on your pots and pans, and it works really good on your door panels, your dash, your console, everything. Gets it clean, gets down in there, not abrasive. And then on this side, it's like a microfiber. And it also does really good at cleaning. It really does. My mom bought these in 9-pack for like $12, $13 on Amazon. In fact, I just looked at it, I don't know, a couple, 3 weeks ago, and it's only $15 for the 9-pack. Now, I'm not saying that the Ninja Scrub or the Sumo Scrub or any of the other scrubbers are bad products, because they are not. I am making these videos because I want others to see that if you're a frugal person like I am, there's ways around it. My fortunate superpower is I'm a mom and I raised 4 kids. And in those years of raising those kids, I had to find ways to get around buying the expensive stuff. The other thing I am is old school, and I try to use common sense in my business planning. I will not make a profit if I am constantly spending all of my money on products that I don't need, when I can buy these products and they're less expensive and they do the same job. And that's all it comes down to. So if you're a frugal person like me, this video is for you. So those are my scrubbers. 2-pack from the Dollar Tree cost me $1.25 plus tax. And the Magic Eraser, but this is the off-brand, not the name brand, and I got it in a 12-pack. And then there is this kitchen scrub. It does really well, and they last quite a while. 9-pack for $15. So there you go. And that is my take on scrubbers for detailers, especially those of us who are frugal. We kind of need this. But I think the biggest takeaway is we're going to walk away with more of the money that we made. With that being said, I'm going to get out of here. And until the next video, we'll see you later. Peace.